Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show underway. A little bit of box action. Fix that label. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Low SE Midnight Navy and Hemp, aka the Jordan 1 Low Denims. It's not a bad shoe. Sorry about that phone going off in the background, guys. This was one of everybody who in my gang's unit, whatever you like to call it. We wore this spring or summer. Everyone at the store, all the younglings. Moving this back a bit. Not a bad shoe. I'm not really a low Jordan guy, but again, like I said, this is one of the shoes I enjoyed. Cut this light out. I apologize for giving you guys light action on first. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, the whole shoe has denim, nubuck. You can see the little, it's not a gum bottom, but still a pretty okay bottom. You guys can see I've been wearing these, or I haven't been wearing these, somebody's been wearing these, but I wore the same pair. Because you got some top action. All around good Jordan in my opinion. Like I said, the materials are all jean denim. This is like suede. You go over here, you get the whole suede mud guard. To more denim. To a brown denim Nike swoosh. Jordan Wings logo as usual with the medium breakup. To a little bit more of that brown swoosh coming around. See, no special insole. Same thing on this side, like I said, full denim material, suede. So all around, like I said, good Jordan 1. If you like Jordan 1 lows, make sure you definitely pick this up. In my opinion, this is one of the best Jordan 1 lows right now. Give you guys another look at what the shoe is going to look like on your feet. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this Jordan 1. We know that you go for them. Do you have them? Would you like to have a pair? We know what shoes you guys are buying. What shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe out there. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!